Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are painting another mobile cover. So this time I'm going to make a different kind of a flower. So I'm just traced a little bit from pencil and now I'm going to transfer and make the same design on my phone cover. So you can see I'm using a permanent black marker to make all the pattern. If you want, you can make it with a black paint as well. So let's quickly make all our flowers. These flowers are turning out to be cute and our final outcome is going to be absolutely amazing. It's easier once you trace it on paper. Once you draw it on paper and then trace it, it becomes exactly easy and you miss out, you make it on perfect space and leaving out no extra space. Now let's fill in the color. I'm going to first shade in with white color. I'm going to give a little shading in the center of all my petals. So once you flip it over, they all will be very clearly visible. Once we are done with this, we are going to move on to the next color. Just wait before this color dries up nicely before you add in the next color. Now I'm using a shade of light turquoise blue color. I'm going to just do half of my leaf because I'm going to use two shades of blue to make this flower. So you would see I'm doing it in a really rough manner. I want a good thick coat of paint so no white space is visible. In all the center of my flowers, I am doing this light turquoise blue acrylic paint by Fevicryl. Keep the center of the flower empty. I'm going to do it with yellow color. Once we are done, next we're going to move on to paint our leaves. So I'm going to wait until this blue dries up nicely so I can do the other shade of blue. We really want a rough paint because we want it to be a thick coat of paint. Otherwise it will be transparent and it won't look nice. Even for the leaf, I'm going to use two shades of green. One is a light green shade. I'm coloring the left side of my sheet of my leaf with light green color. Carefully, all the left side of my leaves, half of them I'm going to color with light green color. Next I'm going to use is a little darker shade of green for the other half and finish it up with yellow. Thank you so much for watching.